I'm Bob Newcomb at Ollie at Cal State Fullerton. This is one in a series of video tips for you to learn more about features on your iPhone or iPad. The subject of this video is how to create ringtones in iTunes on your Mac for you to use on your iPad or iPhone. A Windows version will be created soon. You can, of course, buy ringtones, but if you want to make one from music in your iTunes library, here is how to do it. On your Mac, open iTunes and find the music you wish to use. Here I'm looking for Bach's Toccata and Fugue in D minor. The maximum length of a ringtone is 30 seconds, so find a segment of the music that you wish to use. Here I want from 0 to 29 seconds. I right-click the file, go into the song info, and choose the tab Options. Select the start and stop time, being sure to check the boxes to the left of the time, and then click OK. Select from the menu File, Convert, Create AAC Version. This will create an additional file with the shorter length you need. Now drag this file to your desktop. You need to change the file suffix from .m4a to .m4r. Click the button to tell it to use the M4R as the suffix, and now plug your iPhone or iPad into the Mac with the USB to Lightning cable. When iTunes recognizes the device, click its button on the icon line. Scroll down the sidebar and click on the Tones section, which is probably on the bottom. Drag and drop the M4R file to the Tones list and click the Sync button. When the sync is done, you can go to your iPhone or iPad. Go to Settings, Sounds, which might be Sounds and Haptics on some phones. Select Ringtone and choose your new ringtone. Now, all that is left is to clean up after yourself on your Mac. Go back to Music in iTunes, select the Ringtone file, right-click it, and delete it from the library. If you want to delete the ringtone file from your desktop, go ahead and do so. If you want to keep it, I would instead move it to the music folder or any other place on your hard drive you can remember where you put it. I hope you found this video helpful and that you have created ringtones that are perfect for you.